The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use, packaged with every Posey product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posey self-releasing belts are for patients needing a positioning device for added safety or those needing a reminder to call for assistance before exiting a bed. For most situations in patient use, self-releasing belts are considered a less restrictive device and should be tried before other, more restrictive methods are employed. To begin, center the belt across the mattress at waist level. The label will be face up toward the head of the bed, and the long straps will hang off both sides of the bed. Attach the long straps on each side to the movable part of the bed frame at waist level. Release the quick-release buckles on the connecting straps. Loop the straps around a movable part of the bed frame. Close the quick-release buckle. Listen for a snapping sound. Pull on the strap end to tighten. After securing both sides to the bed frame, release the quick-release buckle and open the belt. Now, position the patient in the bed with the belt at waist level. Bring the belt around the patient's waist and secure it with the hook and loop fastener. Slide an open hand flat between the device and the patient to ensure proper fit. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. Connect the quick-release buckle. Insert 2 fingers flat under the buckle and pull the strap snug but not so tight as to restrict circulation. Check that the straps are secure and will not change position, loosen, or tighten if the patient pulls on them or if the bed is adjusted. After the belt application, the patient will be able to roll from side to side and sit up in bed. Posey recommends that full HBSW compliant side rails in the up position be used when a patient is restrained and unattended. Use side rail covers and gap protectors to help prevent the patient's body from going under, around, through, or between the side rails. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posey products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posey application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posey product. You may contact the Posey Company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posey.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSEY.